Here are my top favorite red lipsticks I've worn in 2023 in no particular order. First is Make Beauty Red Emission. It's like that classic bright red. I love how thin this lipstick is, so that application is very precise and easy to do, and it can fit in my bag so easily for touch-ups. The next one is Gay Beauty from Gwen Stefani. This is a matte lipstick in original recipe. I mean, come on, this lip color is just so bold and it just gives you that classic vibe, which I absolutely love, and it doesn't transfer when it dries. It just looks so beautiful. Now I love the HIGHR Collective in Chiltern. This is a beautiful creamy red lip. It's so hydrating. I love all the lipsticks that I've tried from HIGHR Collective. This one's definitely a must-have. And I love that there's a mirror as well. Next is the Estee Lauder in Envious. This is also another creamy lipstick, and wow, it's just like a cherry strawberry red. So beautiful, you can wear it with anything. The next one is Hourglass Confession lipstick in Red Zero. I love how thin this one is. It's also refillable, so you don't have to buy a whole new lipstick. You just pop it off and apply the new one. Easy to add into your purse as well. Now I'm going to go in with the Sisley-Paris. I'm obsessed with Rose Mexico. It's a little bit different from the typical red lipstick. It's a little bit brighter, but just so fresh and beautiful. It's just so flirty as well. Let me know what your favorite red lipsticks are for 2023.